Guys, when you want to save money and something happened at home or wherever it is, and you want to do it by yourself, you gotta think twice first, okay? So I am not a pro. I am just I just get the confidence to do it. I don't know what I'm doing, if I'm doing it right or if I'm doing it wrong. Just comment down below if I'm doing it right. So before we go into further details, I would like to tell you that now I'm in my garage. What we're gonna do right now is the first time I'm gonna do this one. Like I said, I'm not a pro. This is my first time to work on something like this. Let me tell you what we're gonna do. I got tools, a knife, a flat screwdriver, long one and short one, a socket, an electric heater, and a drill. So what we're gonna do is this car, you can see, can you see that? Yeah, somebody behind hit here, and this is the damage. For some reasons we're not, I'm gonna try to do it first before going into further things like going into our insurance. The goal right now, like I said, we're gonna try. I'm gonna take the whole rear bumper out and hit it from the inside or maybe from the outside with a heat gun for like I don't know how long it's gonna be, and I'm trying to push it from the inside, and let's see what happens. All right, see what happens, guys. Let's do it. All right, before we're gonna do it with this, I got a package that I ordered on Amazon online last night, and it came today. I'm gonna open it right now. This is the clips on the fenders, both sides. I mean on this side, because some of the clips on the fender on this side where it got hit, it's missing. So I got a box, different sizes, and hopefully, I don't know what's this. Hopefully this one of these fits on the oh, this is a squeegee. Oh, okay. This is another order that I had. I got 2 orders last night. There's one order for this car and then another order for another car, and this is pretty cool. Look, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna use it on the other car, not this one. So here we go. All right, there are the clips, different sizes as you can see, long, short, big, and small. And also that came with the tool, a pry tool. See that one. So guys, here's the deal. I got everything out, all the clips, the screws, and everything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna pull this thing out of the way. I'm just gonna hang it right there and do the heating from that side going out, and then for like 1-2 minutes, and then we'll see what happens. Hammer and blower. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I put everything back, and let's see what happens on that side for the dent, and it looks pretty good. I'm not worried about the scratches. It's not too bad, but the thing is we were able to push the dent back to its original form, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what happened after probably like 4 to 5 minutes of work. This is the magic that we use, so pretty much helpful in every project that you're gonna take. Just a standard blower heater. Let me show you. That's nice, right? Only thing you can tell is a little bit of scratches right here, but I'm not worried about it. It's really cool. So that's pretty much it, and I got my help right there. If you guys are not a subscriber yet, please like and subscribe and share this video, and thank you for the support. It's been a long time we had uploaded a video. We will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.